Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into PrimeXBT, a trading platform available at https://primexbt.com. This platform provides access to a diverse range of markets, enabling traders to engage with various asset classes. Whether you're interested in cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, or indices, PrimeXBT likely has something to offer. This breadth of options allows users to diversify their portfolios and explore different trading strategies all within a single platform. Navigating the PrimeXBT interface is generally straightforward. The platform offers a variety of charting tools and technical indicators to assist traders in their analysis. While the platform is feature-rich, it's designed to be user-friendly, even for those relatively new to trading. However, it's always recommended to thoroughly familiarize yourself with any platform's functionalities before committing capital. Practice with a demo account, if available, is a great way to get comfortable with the platform's intricacies. Security is a paramount concern for any trading platform, and PrimeXBT appears to take this seriously. They implement various security measures to protect user funds and data. Always remember to research and understand the specific security protocols employed by any platform you choose to use. One key aspect to consider when evaluating a trading platform is its fee structure. PrimeXBT has a transparent fee schedule, which is important for calculating potential trading costs and overall profitability. Be sure to examine these fees closely to determine if they align with your trading style and budget. Finally, keep in mind that trading involves inherent risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's also crucial to conduct your own due diligence and research before making any investment decisions. PrimeXBT, like any trading platform, is simply a tool. Your success will ultimately depend on your understanding of the markets, risk management strategies, and overall trading approach. Hopefully, this overview has provided a useful starting point for your exploration of PrimeXBT.